Hi everyone, Wizbig here. Welcome to VFX 101. Today, I will give you the free visual effects assets. Yes, free. In this collection, you will find burst trail, explosions, fire burst, fire flames, lava burst, magic shockwave, Mashroom Explode, space jet effect, spark explode, swarm effects. Last but not least, tornado effects. It's very easy to use. Simple, import the any VFX file, just drag and drop on a timeline and set the effect duration and set the position. Okay. If this video is helpful to you, like and share this video more, much as more. Subscribe the VFX 101 and must press the bell icon. Thank you.